Here's how to carve K-pop Demon Hunter's Derpy Tiger. First, you're going to want to grab a pumpkin. A short, rounder pumpkin works best for Derpy Tiger. Next, you're going to gather your tools, a pumpkin knife, scooper, and dry erase marker. You'll carve the bottom, clean out the guts, and save the bottom of the pumpkin because we'll need it later. Using your dry erase marker, sketch your Derpy Tiger face. I just freehanded, but you can also find a printable stencil online. Then you're going to start carving your pumpkin. Wipe off any of the excess marker with a wet cloth. Grab the bottom of the pumpkin and use the marker to draw ears. Cut them and use toothpicks to attach them to the head. Light a candle and your Derpy Tiger is done. You could also do a variation by carving a larger mouth and using extra pumpkin for the tongue. Happy Halloween!